everybody, I'm Shubhrajyoti and today we're gonna learn Maths Rounding Numbers Part 2, Rounding to the Nearest Hundreds. The Rounding Numbers Part 1 was Rounding to the Nearest Tens, which link you will find in the description box below. So, before start rounding to the nearest hundreds, let's have a small recap about rounding to the nearest tens. So, where will 6 be rounded? Aha, you're right. 6 will be rounded to 10 because it is 5 to 9 and 5 to 9 are rounded to the greater 10 here, which is 10. So now where 5 will be rounded? Did you forget? Aha! It's rounded to 10 too, though it's in the midway because 5 to 9 including 5 are rounded to 10. So now where 2 will be rounded? Aha, you're right. Yes, it's rounded to 0 because 2 is 1 to 4 and 1 to 4 numbers are rounded to the smaller 10, which is 0. You're amazing. You're doing great. So now this is the challenging question. You all like challenging question, right? So let's see how much logical thinking you have. So 25 is we have to round and the tens that are here are 20 and 30. It's a 2-digit number, so we have not learned so far. So will the rule change? Absolutely no. There's just a small trick to find out where will the number will be rounded. Just check the ones place if you're rounding the number to the nearest 10. If the ones place digit is rounded to the number 10, then the whole number will be rounded to the greater 10. If the ones place number is rounded to 0, then the whole number will be rounded to the smaller 10. So, there is a number 25, the greater 10 is 30 and the smaller 10 is 20, and the ones place digit of 25 is 5 and 5 is rounded to 10. So the whole number will be rounded to 30. Means 25 is rounded to 30. Very easy, right? So now, and the trick can be used with how many digit number you want if you want to round to the nearest tens. And that's a great good news. So now let's round to the nearest hundreds. The greater 100 here is 400 and the smaller 100 here is 300. And we have to round 360. Oh, such a big number. So, where should we round 360? There is a trick in here also, so don't worry. Just check the tens place. If it is rounded to the number 10, then the whole number will be rounded to the greater 100. If the tens place digit is rounded to 0, then the whole number will be rounded to the smaller 100. Wow, that's a great trick. 360, the tens place is 6 and 6 is rounded to 10. Aha, I got the answer. 360 is rounded to 400 because 6 is rounded to 10. So the whole number will be rounded to 400. So 360 is rounded to 400. Easy, isn't it? Let's practice some more. Let's round 320. The greater 100 is 400 and the smaller 100 is 300. So we should round off 320. The tens place is 2 and 2 is rounded to 0. I got the answer. It's 300 and 320 is rounded to 300 because as per the trick, if the tens place is rounded to 0, then the whole number will be rounded to the smaller 10. So 320 is rounded to 300. The tens place is 320 is 2. It is rounded to 0, thus 320 is rounded to 300. So now let's round off 370. Yes, it's rounded to 400. But why? The tens place of the number 370 is 7. It is rounded to 10. Thus, 370 is rounded to 400. It's so easy, right? So now let's round 350. Where it is rounded? Yes, it is rounded to 400 because 5 is rounded to 10, which is the tens place of 350. And if it is rounded to the greater 10, then the whole number will be rounded to the greater 100. So the number 350 will be rounded to 400. Thank you, everybody. I hope you understood everything. And if you want to go to my other videos, the link is in the description box below. Thank you, everybody.